Legends become reality. Old to gold world.
The mountain claims the vehicle. I cannot reach it.
Back off, or it will go over!
Keep back! It's hers!
I just need to get the car!
Impossible! Move back, now!
The temperature is critical. It's barely holding. Massive claw marks and tracks. And fresh blood. We're in its territory.
The temperature is critical. That lava will reach the tires in under a minute.
Can we secure it?
It's impossible. This ground is too unstable. Nature has already won.
Team, we have the eggs. Proceed to the new ledge. Copy that. Moving now. The condors are following. Chicks have hatched. Mission accomplished. Excellent. Clear the area. Helicopter inbound.
Keep back!
Easy, mama!
Provide the food trail. Swiftly. Cubs follow. Tranquilizer ready. Stand back. Dart strikes. Sedation is taking effect. Breathing is stable. Move it to the cage. Collar secured. We're clear. Let's get the car.
Rapidly. Approach with poles. Move the cages. Soft handling. Be careful with the young. Boat departing.
All right, team. Secure that brute. Keep the acoustic boomers running to clear the smaller ones. Let's get this car clear. Copy that, boss. Pole in position.
Perimeter secure. Confirmed. Tiger relocating. 8 miles to the valley. Understood. Begin recovery.
Move it, quick, the lava's right there.
Engine's full power.
We got it, pull it, faster.
Almost there.
She's safe, unhook the cables. Victory!
Pressure's rising. Watch the ice break. Focus on the angles. Clean the slate. Green accents emerging. Look at the lines. Legends reborn. The gold shines. Space-age materials restored. Italian engineering reborn with precision craftsmanship.
8 Italian hearts prepared to sing again.
Mechanical souls restored across all bulls.
Final torque completed. Scissor doors checked. All wheels secured. Systems online. Declared fully restored.
8 Italian legends breathe again. Let the symphony of resurrection begin. The bulls return to their wild protectors. Safe travels, champions. Welcome home. Ciao.
Cow.
Peace at last. Welcome home. Sizzle. Welcome, old friend. The sanctuary is yours.
Gold Restoration Garage Nyand, where Italian legends live forever with nature. From destruction to transformation, old to gold world. Subscribe now.
Did it!
This is unbelievable.